The Covariance Interactive Calculator helps engineers analyze the linear relationship between two variables by computing their covariance. Let's walk through the inputs. First, we have a calculation mode dropdown with 5 options: sample covariance from data pairs, population covariance from data pairs, covariance from summary statistics, correlation to covariance conversion, and covariance matrix for 2 variables. For this demonstration, I'm selecting sample covariance from data pairs. The population type dropdown lets you choose between sample, which divides by n-1, or population, which divides by n. I'll keep it set to sample. Now for the input fields, X values comma separated expects your first data set, like 2.3, 4.1, 5.6, 7.2, 8.9. E values comma separated takes your second data set, such as 3.1, 5.4, 6.8, 9.1, 10.2. After clicking Calculate, the tool processes these paired values. The calculator returns the covariance value, which indicates how the 2 variables change together. A positive covariance means the variables tend to increase together, while a negative covariance indicates one increases as the other decreases. The magnitude tells you the strength of this relationship. This tool streamlines statistical analysis for quality control and experimental data interpretation. Find the link in the description below.